So, got this little humidifier behind me. It's been doing great, but I need a bigger one. So I finally purchased a new humidifier. It's gonna do so much better for them. They deserve a lot more humidity than what they're getting. It's gonna cover a lot more surface area than the little one I have here. And while this one has been doing great for me, it's just time for an upgrade. We can put more plants over here. The bark panels are starting to get covered. The plants are starting to grow up, and it's just that time. So I'm gonna hook this thing up, show you guys how it does. Right, and here's our moment of truth. So it looks like I'm gonna have to drop it down. I'm gonna put it a little closer to the plants. Maybe find a nice stand for it and sit it behind so it's just not all out in the open, but I'll give it some time. I think it's gonna do a lot better. Overall, I can boost it up. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks good. I'm excited. I know they are too.